everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with another one of our long blocks to show you. So this is a Jeep 4-liter engine. It's going to come similar to all of our other long blocks. It'll have the black cylinder heads, your timing components, your gaskets, and your high volume oil pump. Now these engines were known to have cylinder heads that cracked and caused leakage issues. The cylinder heads with the problem were the casting number 0331. Now this was more of an issue 10 or so years ago, and by now most of those cylinder heads with that casting number have kind of been filtered out of production and circulation. So not so much an issue these days as it was back then, but rest assured that the cylinder heads we use in these engines are not the ones that crack and cause leakage problems. We do sim test all of our engines for operability before shipping, and it does come back with our Powertrain Promise warranty. If you have any questions, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.